CoQ10. Why do you need to use CoQ10 on a daily basis? My name is Cody Michael. I work in the raw material business for nutrition. We roam the world looking for the best raw material, and we check everything. We know what labs makes what products around the world and who is the best. This is what we do for a living. This is our passion. I see lots of people talking about nutrition. Maybe they have some knowledge about nutrition, but they don't know how it's made, where it comes from, how it's tested, how it's produced, who's the best lab who makes it, what's the difference between one ingredient and another. Rarely people know that. Maybe some people know what's the difference between synthetic vitamins, which is made from chemicals, and natural vitamins, which is made from natural raw material. So CoQ10 is so essential. It's in every cell in your body contains CoQ10. And that means CoQ10 is directly connected to your internal cellular life. So some people said, well, I'm taking turmeric or I'm taking ashwagandha. That is good, but most of these herbs, they will enhance your health. They're not essential for your health. CoQ10, it goes down so quickly, especially when you take medications, statin drugs, Tylenol, pain medications. It shows that by using medications like statin drugs or Tylenol, in 30 days, reduce CoQ10 in the body by 50%, according to the book Natural Cures, over-the-counter natural cures that is written by an ex-biochemist for Eli and Lilly. So you need to know that stuff. Now, CoQ10 has two forms, ubiquinol and ubiquinone. Most researchers shows ubiquinol is the one you need, the reduced form. There are two companies around the world that produce high quality CoQ10 because CoQ10 is highly unstable and it has a left arm and a right arm spin. So they need to stabilize it. One of those companies called Konica. You would see Konica seal right here on the bottom. They allow, like, for example, companies like lookandvibrant.com to use it when they buy this product from them. The second problem is CoQ10 has that it crystallizes at human body temperature, 37, 38 Celsius. So what's the solution? We have to find another company who will decrystallize it under a patent process, and then we use the high quality from Konica, ubiquinol, to decrystallize ubiquinol and to make it into CoQ10 that will never crystallize. So it is decrystallized CoQ10 that will never crystallize in your body. Now you know, okay? Now what's essential is CoQ10 is part of the electron transport chain. It generates ATP for the heart. Dr. Stephen Sinatra, who's a cardiologist and an integrated medicine in nutrition, he says when his patients are taking or using statin drugs, he makes sure that every one of them must take minimum 150 milligram of CoQ10 on a daily basis, because statin drugs lowers CoQ10 dramatically in 30 days by 50%. In the same book that I mentioned before, over-the-counter natural cures that written by an ex-biochemist for Eli and Lilly, his name's Shane Allison, it shows that when your CoQ10 go down too low, the outcome is a heart attack and could be deadly. So CoQ10 is essential for your heart health. If you're over 40 and you're not using CoQ10 decrystallized from high quality companies like Konica, you are wasting your money. Remember, structure determines function. Don't look at vitamins as your purchase. Look at it as a investment, right? Prevention is better than 1,000 cures. Enjoy life. When you're healthy, when someone is healthy, can dream a million things and want 1,000 things. But when someone is sick, he only wants one thing. Don't wait till you get sick.